The Jobber and ResponsiBid connection have a very definite workflow, and you will want to understand how this works as you connect your ResponsiBid and Jobber accounts. The main concept is this. ResponsiBid is where you sell and get more work. Jobber is where you do your work. When a client calls in, you can begin typing their information into ResponsiBid's call screen, and you'll automatically see which customers are already in ResponsiBid, or already in Jobber, or if they're in both places and already connected. You can then easily click to wherever you'd like to go, depending on what you'd like to accomplish. As you give bids through ResponsiBid, you'll automatically start creating, merging, and connecting your ResponsiBid prospects into your Jobber clients. When a customer accepts the bid and is ready to schedule, you'll simply change their status in ResponsiBid to Job and Jobber. When you do this, you'll be able to select the work that is to be performed. Then choose the date of the job, and ResponsiBid will take a guess at how long the job should take, but you can make sure that that's correct. Then you'll choose the Jobber user that will be performing the work, and once you send the job to Jobber, Jobber will either add the job to an existing contact, or if the person isn't there, Jobber will create a brand new person and put the job in there. You'll notice that ResponsiBid basically locks the ResponsiBid contact while the job is in progress. This is because all of your editing for that contact should be done within Jobber while the job is in progress. ResponsiBid will anxiously wait for the job to be either deleted in Jobber or closed. That's the only two ways a job can come back to ResponsiBid to allow for editing or to re-engage ResponsiBid follow-up. You'll notice that in ResponsiBid's connection area, you have the control to tell ResponsiBid what to do with any job that comes back from Jobber. If the job is deleted in Jobber, ResponsiBid's default behavior is to put that bid into a deleted in Jobber status. This status has no follow-up or other action other than showing as stuck in your daily digest, so that you know you need to do something with that bid to make sure it keeps moving forward. If you'd like to choose a different status, simply edit that setting in ResponsiBid's connection area. When you close a job in Jobber, you can also set what status you want ResponsiBid to use when bringing it back. By default, ResponsiBid will put it into the closed status, but you can set it to something different if that makes more sense for your company. Be sure to let the connection know how many dollars per hour your crew typically operates at, so that ResponsiBid can be a good guesser on how long each job should take. Once a job comes back from Jobber, you'll have the customer data in both places, and you can now edit things in ResponsiBid however you need to. When you send the job back over to Jobber again, Jobber will create the new job and merge it into the contact that it used before, so that the job history will stack up inside of Jobber just as you'd expect. You can move quickly back and forth from ResponsiBid to Jobber for a customer by clicking on the buttons inside of the customer profile in ResponsiBid, or the new custom field inside of Jobber once they're connected. Once they're connected, any change to personal information in one place will change it in the other as well. Make sure you set the Jobber and ResponsiBid follow-up automation to not step on each other's toes. In the connections area of ResponsiBid, you can determine if you want ResponsiBid to handle the follow-up automation while the job is in progress at Jobber, or you could just let Jobber handle all of that. But no matter what you choose, we recommend figuring out the workflow that works best for you, and then limiting follow-up to just one program during any given status of a customer. If you do reschedule a visit inside of Jobber while ResponsiBid is handling the follow-up, ResponsiBid will automatically reconfigure its follow-up to match the most current date of the visit. We hope you enjoyed this great connection. And now you can see the powerful workflow of having ResponsiBid manage the follow-up and proposal part of getting new and repeat jobs, while Jobber manages the operational part of your business.